Hello everyone. Today we are doing an experiment on VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Before going further, just first understand what is this database all about. So this is the database that I have collected, and this database has four columns with the name student, age, school and class. So students section contains the number of the students to number 1, number 2 and so on up to 19, and in front of that you will find their age. For example, the age of student number 10 is 14. Similarly, in which school does the student 15 belongs to? So student 15 belongs to DPS. Similarly, the class of the student. So I have these four columns where the data is stored vertically. This is the way how the data is stored vertically. Okay. So now first of all understand why it is called VLOOKUP. When we are saying VLOOKUP, in VLOOKUP means V stands for vertical. Okay, V stands for vertical and lookup means searching for the concerned data, means the data that we are looking for, that is called concerned data. We are looking for, let's say, for a data of student number 11. What is the age of a student number 11? That is 15. So searching for the concerned data in the database where data is stored in the column. These are called columns. These are columns. Data in the is stored in the column vertically. Okay, so now my question to you is that I want to find out age and the school of the students. So I will ask you, I will ask you, tell me the age and the school of the student. Okay. So what you will do, you have to tell me these two things. Let's say age, and let me highlight these two things. So you have to tell me these two things as far as the student is concerned. Student is something that I will give you. So I will change the color to of this to something else. Let's say I will change the color to blue. Okay. So so first of all, what you have to do is that you have to make a table, and in this table, you have to make three headings, starting from the students, their age. I need to tell the age as well as I need to tell the school in which they are currently studying. Okay. So these three things, students will be given, like it can be given to me like which student detail I want. So what I will do is that I will select these all students from this database. Either I can select only one student or I can select all the students. If I want to select all the students, then what I have to do is that I have to go to this particular column or field. Then I have to go to the data, go to data validation and click on this drop down box and then click on data validation. When I click on that, then I will get the first option called settings. Click on settings, go to allow and go to drop down box and click on list. Go to source and select all these students. Once you select all the students, this line will keep on fluctuating like this. It means this is a area which has been selected now. Click on OK, and when you click on OK, then you will see that there is one drop down box has came. Now it will show you all the students from 1 to 19. So what is the question? Question is that tell me the age and the school of the student whose number is 5. So what I have to do is I have to apply VLOOKUP. So I have to apply VLOOKUP on age. So what I will do, I will apply a formula. Formula for VLOOKUP is VLOOKUP. I do VLOOKUP and I will open the bracket over here. Then you can see I got these parameters for VLOOKUP. Let me just take a screen of shot of that, and 1 minute. Let me just save this one for you guys so that it can help you out. Okay. So what I have done is okay. So I have written this. I have taken the screenshot of this VLOOKUP parameters and I have written over here so that you can understand what this actually means. So let me explain you over here. It has four things. The first one is called lookup value. Lookup value. Second is called table array. Third one is column index num, and the last one is range lookup. I will explain you the meaning of this, what it means. So these are the four things that I have to put value in that. Let me try this. So when we are saying lookup value, let me just go back to this particular column. Type equal to v lookup bracket open. Then you can see these four values. So first one is called lookup value. Lookup value means the value that I am looking for currently. I'm looking. If you see what I'm looking for age of whom I'm looking for. I'm looking for age for a student number 5. So where is this data placed? This data is placed in this particular column. All right, this particular field over here. So and what is the position of this particular column is that is H8. So what I have to write, I have to, this is a H and this is 8. So on H8, I have to find my question that for which student I am looking for age, for which student. So lookup value will be H8, okay, and then table array. Table array means from where I am collecting this value, from which database, where is the database placed, or what is the location of the database. So what I will do, I will select all this complete table from here to here. So this is my database, starting from here and ending over here. Then I have selected all of them. Then I will put comma over here. Then third thing is asking for column index number. So column index number, if you see the database that I have selected this database. So what is the by default the first column number is always 1. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. So this will be 2 over here, 2 over here. Why? Because age is at number 2. Okay, so even if I select this particular field, and if this field was over here, like suppose this field are over here, then also I have to say number 1, number 2. Okay, no matter where this table is starting from A or starting from Z, I have to just cover this area and see which on which position this particular column is belonged to, respective to that particular area that I have selected. So age is at number 2. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So age is at number 2, and then I have to find write down the range lookup. So I will always put false over here. If you see, there are two types of, it's a boolean value I have to put, that is true or false. So if I put true, then I will get a approximate match. But if I put false, then I will got the right exact match. So what I will do, I will put write down here false, and I will close the bracket, and I will click on enter. So what I got that age of student number 5 is 16. Let me check it out. Yes, it is indeed. So what I want to do, I want to find out the age of, let's say, some other student of student number 11. So age of student number 11 is 50. Uh, 11 is 15. All right. Similarly, I want to find the age of a student whose number is 19. This is 18 years old, and I got this 18 over here. Okay. So let me write down this for you. So what is the lookup value? Lookup value is the value whether I say whether I should say a position or cell position. What is the question that we have to decide and where this question is placed? This question is placed over here. So we have to find the position of this particular thing, and that is called the lookup value. Now, second is table array. Table array, if I say, is the complete area, index area of the table or database. What is column index number? Column index number is the index number of the column the value that we are looking for. And what is range lookup? It is a Boolean value. True means approximate value, and false means exact value. Okay, guys. Now let me do for this one. I want to find out the school in which the student number 18 is studying. So what I have to do is that I have to see the data in the column where data is stored vertically. So what I will do, I will use VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, and what is the lookup value, guys? Lookup value is H8. H8 is a lookup value. I'm looking for details of for student number 19. And what is a table array? Table array means the index area of complete table, that is here to here, starting from here to here. Then comma. Then I have to put the column index number, that is for school. School is at third column, 1, 2, 3. So I will put 3 over here, and the value should be either true or false. So I will say false because I need exact value. I will click enter. So I will got the answer St. Mary's. So this particular student number 19 is studying in St. Mary's. Okay, now I want to find out the details, the age and the school of a student whose number is 3. So what I will do, I will go here, look for number 3, and that's it. It says me he is 14 years of age and he's from school St. Anne. So student number 3, his age is 14 and he's from St. Anne. That's it. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. We'll look up. Now we'll be doing H lookup. H lookup stands for horizontal lookup. So first of all, what should I do? Let me take only this data. I'm using the same data for the horizontal lookup. What I'm doing, I am copying this data, and I will paste this data as a transpose. What is the meaning of transpose? Transpose means upside down. Okay. So if you see over here, so what happened over here? Here the data is stored in the form of rows. So data is stored in the form of rows instead of column. The headings are now in the form of rows. This is the data of the student, and data is stored in the horizontal format. When the data is stored in the horizontal format, then we will use horizontal lookup. I hope this is clear to you that why we have given this name H lookup and V lookup. So it's depend upon how the data is stored. If the data is stored in the form of columns, we are looking for V lookup, and if the data is stored in the form of row, this is the row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4, then we will call H lookup. That is called horizontal lookup. So the same thing is that, let me just copy from here for you guys. Let me come down. So what is that? This is called H lookup, and H stand for vertical, sorry, horizontal. Okay, and lookup means searching for a concerned data where data is stored in the column horizontally. So what we'll do with that, we just simply that and we'll get the thing. I hope this is clear, guys. Now, again, I have changed the question this time. This was my question last time. So I am doing slightly change in my question. So my question this time would be, tell me the class and school of the concerned student. So what I'm looking right now, this time I'm looking class and school of the concerned students. So I need three things again. I need student, I need class, and I need school. Class and I need school. Okay, guys. So what I will do, let me just do a bit formatting so that it look bit better. It has nothing to do with the H lookup and V lookup. It's just for the understanding so that you guys can understand. So what I'm doing right now, I'm selecting all the students. I have to select all the students from 1 to 19. So what I will do is that I will go to data. I will go to data validation. Where is it? Here it is. Data validation. I will go to settings. I will go to in the allow section. I will go to the list, and then on the source, I will select all the student up to 19 and click on OK. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry. I have to go over here. Go to data validation, and then I have to select the list, and then I have to 1 minute, guys. Okay, data validation list. Okay, so I got the list of all the student 1 to 19. You can see all the details are here. Do like this. So if I see over here, I will see the details of all the student 19. Now what I have to do, I have to apply H lookup. So let me just write down H lookup, and let me copy this for you. And let me write down somewhere over here. Let me write down somewhere over here. So if you see the difference between HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, if you see over this side, if you, it shows over here uh, row index number. All right. If you see in the above one, it will show column, it will show table array. I mean column index number, and here it is says row index number. So what I have to do, I have to put these values. Let me just copy from here and just paste over here for you guys. And if you see over here, the only thing which is different is instead of column, we have now row index number. Row index number. So I have to change it here to. Okay, now come back to this particular column. So I'm looking at data for the data for student number 3. I'm looking for his class. So what I have to do, I have to, because the data is stored horizontally, I have to apply h lookup equal to h lookup, bracket open. I have to put lookup value. What is lookup value? Lookup value is this particular column, that is N34. Okay, guys, N34. So comma and table array. What is table array? Table array is this complete area starting from here and going till here. All right. Then I will put comma over here. Then we'll asking for the row index number. If you see here, guys, the value that I'm looking for is class, and class is on number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. On which row class is in? Class is in this particular index is 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter from where it is from the top of the Excel sheet. Okay, so don't worry about that where it is located. If in the Excel sheet is number 27, we are not concerned about that. We are talking about this particular table array. In this table array, where this class is located at row number 4. So what I will type number 4 over here, and the value should be true or false. It should be false because I need an exact value, and I will click on enter, and I will get the answer 8. So student 3 is having in class 8. All right. And similarly, I have to find the school in which he is studying currently. I will apply h lookup is equal to h lookup, and then I have to find the lookup value. Lookup value is N34. Then I have to see the table array. This is the table array. Goes from here to here. Then comma. Then row index number, where the school is located in this particular row. There are 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. School is at number 3. So I will type over here 3, and the value I need is false. I got the detail, that is student number 3 is studying in St. Anne. Let's check it out. Student 3 studying in St. Anne. Now let's see for someone else. Student number, let's say 19. Are you there? Yes. 19 is in class 12 and he is in St. Mary's. Let me check it out. This is 19 and he's in class 12 and he's in St. Mary's. So I hope this is clear to you guys. H lookup and V lookup. All right. All the very best, guys. Take care.